Assalamualaikum viewers, welcome to my channel NTS Guru. In this lecture I will teach you how to check the correctness of square root. In other words, this method can be used if the question is given in the form of square root and you have asked to point out which of the following is the exact square root of this number. So by using this one digit method you can check the square root and you can point out the answer. So let's do an example. If the question is given as under root 674041 821, as we know during square root this will be 821 into 821, so we will write in this form 821 into 821. And now we will apply the one digit method. What is one digit method? Add all the terms on the left hand side and add all the terms on the right hand side. They all answer is in one digit form. Means by taking left hand side, first we'll solve left hand side. 4 plus 4 8, 8 and 1 9, 9 and 7 is 16, and 16 and 6 is 22. 2 plus 2 is 4. So one digit answer is 4. So by considering right hand side, 8 plus 2 is 10, 10 plus 1 is 11, 8 plus 2 is 10, 10 plus 1 is 11. So 1 plus 1 is 2 and 1 plus 1 is 2. So 4. So left hand side is equal to right hand side. So 821 is the exact answer of this question. Let's take another example. Under root 3136 equal to 56. As we know, this will be 56 into 56. So by considering left hand side, we will find one digit. 6 plus 3 is 9, 9 plus 1 is 10, 10 plus 3 is 13. So 3 plus 1 is 4. By considering right hand side, 6 plus 5 is 11 and 6 plus 5 is 11. 1 plus 1 is 2 and 1 plus 1 is 2 and 2 into 2 4. So left hand side equal to right hand side. So this is the exact answer of this square root. Let's take another example. Under root 602176 equal to 774. As we know, this will be 774 into 774. This will be 602176. By taking left hand side and right hand side, by considering right hand side, 7 and 7 14, 14 plus 4 is 18, 18 into 18, 8 plus 1 is 9 into 9 and 9 into 9 will be 81 and 8 plus 1 will be 9. So right hand side answer is 9. So considering left hand side, 7 plus 1 is 8, 9, 10, 16, 16 and 6 is 22. So 2 plus 2 is 4. So left hand side is 4 and right hand side is 9. So left hand side is not equal to right hand side. So this is not the answer of this question. Let's take another example. 83521 equal to 289. This will be 289 into 289. So considering left hand side and right hand side, considering left hand side, this will be 8 to 10, 5, 15, 16 and 16 and 3 is 19, 9 plus 1 is 10. So by considering right hand side, 8 to 10 and 9 is 19 into 19, 9 plus 1 is 10 into 10. So 1 plus 0 is 1, 10 into 10 is 100. 1 plus 0 is 1. So left hand side is 1 and right hand side is 1. So both are equal. So this is the exact answer of this question. So viewers, आपने देखा कि seconds में हम कैसे square root की correctness चेक कर सकते हैं. वीडियो पसंद आए इसको लाइक और शेयर कीजिए और मेरे चैनल को सब्सक्राइब जरूर कीजिए.